Hi, I'm Aparna, Course Counselor at Transfer Solutions. We are going to have an interview with Aisha Simra, who have already successfully completed her medical scribing course with flying colors from Transfer Solutions. We provide the highest quality and the best training in healthcare BPO sectors all over India. Now let's listen what she has to say about it. So Aisha, brief about yourself.
First of all, thank you so much for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. I am Aisha Simran from Karnataka Bhatkal. I had completed my plus 2 and had completed my schooling from Anandashram Convent School Bhatkal and recently had completed my medical scribe from Transfer Solution Kerala. I would like to thank Shabhi who had always supported me and thank you for being a part of my life. Coming to my family, apart from my parents, I have a younger brother and my father is a defense officer in KTTO Karnataka and my mother is a housewife. My hobbies are reciting Quran and helping needy people. I love to learn new technologies. I'm a self-motivating person who never gives up. I think my strength is my studies and my goal is to get a high position in a reputable company or a hospital. Lastly, I'm a quick learner and I believe in my past mistakes and experience which I had it. That's all about me. Thank you.
So what program you have done in Transfers and how did you come to know about Transfer Solutions?
The program which I had done in Transverse is medical scribing, and the way I came to know about Transverse Solution is one day I saw a site on YouTube and Instagram, then I decided to join it, and I would like to thank them for giving me an opportunity to really dream to be a part of healthcare through medical scribing course.
And how was the training at Transfer Solutions?
Transverse provide a high quality training in medical scribing, medical coding, and medical transcription. Obviously, I had met so many people there, and they are my friends, and they all were placed now. Trainers are the soul of all the training program, and we were blessed to have a good one. But the training period was so short, which I still miss it. Trainers were highly experienced with a professional approach, and learning with different friends make an interesting experience of life.
After doing this course, what do you feel right now?
I'm happy today that I had scored A grade in transfer solution. I had always tried my best to keep my parents happy in all the way I could. Well, to be honest, I was a intelligent kid, hardworking, focused, mature, and emotional too. And I'm glad that still I'm the same. I had always tried my best to keep my parents happy and smiling also because I had seen them struggling throughout and sacrificing so many things so that I could get a better life. This is thanks for Transor who had supported me in all the ways. I could not able to express this in word how thankful I am to them.
So, are you confident enough to get a job as a medical scribe, even if you have only a higher secondary education?
Confidence is a key of success, as we can say the first step of success. A person who has confidence, it means that he has won half of the battle. So a person should be a confident for everything we should do. A person who has a confidence, they present themselves as calm, collected, and successful in everything they do. So I'm having a confidence and ability that I will get a scribe job because a scribe needs like good listening skills, typing capability, and computer literacy. This gains a great foundation to our career. Apart from training, Transors provide grooming facilities of interview to get a better placement in future.
So, Aisha, just describe me what does a medical scribe do?
Performing documentation visits of a patient, scribe is a person or paraprofessional who collects all the informations trained in a healthcare information management and used as technology information management of healthcare for to support it.
So, now any messages to your friends?
I would like to say my all the best wishes are with you, my friends. But I would like to say only one important thing in this. Always believe in yourself and in your ability, then the success will be yours. I know it's little bit nervous when we are ready, but the most important thing is they should always remember that their nervousness should not hold their success.
So friends, medical scribe is an innovative skill profession and very well known for assisting doctors with good number of consultations and a quality patient care.
And you can complete healthcare documentation process for maintaining the entire healthcare revenue cycle management system of a country, especially in USA. Medical scribe industry needs highly skilled freshers irrespective of their academic qualification. And you can see number of candidates like Aisha Simra, they are proving that they can lead better standard life through medical scribe career with all support from Transor Solutions. So we Transor Solutions always with the candidates by providing all aspects of skilled training to become a successful professional medical scribe.
As you can see, a number of candidates like Aisha Simra are proving that they can lead a better life through medical scribing career from all supports of Transor Solutions. We Transor Solutions are always with the candidates by providing all aspects of skill training to become a professional medical scribe.